In this video, you'll learn how to sell products by taking a picture on eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully create an appealing listing that attracts buyers. Begin by capturing high-quality photos of your product. Use a smartphone or camera to take clear and well-lit pictures. Ensure that you capture all angles, details, and features to provide potential buyers with a comprehensive view. It is important to avoid cluttered backgrounds as they can distract from the item being sold. Taking multiple photos allows buyers to assess the product's quality effectively. Remember, proper lighting and clarity are essential as they increase trust and enhance sales. Good photos are critical for presenting your product attractively. Next, navigate to eBay and log into your account. Once logged in, start a new listing by selecting the appropriate option on the home page. Look for the feature labeled Add Photos to upload images directly from your device. Select the images you've captured earlier. It's important to include accurate titles and descriptions that match the product. If your item has variations, ensure that the photos are correctly associated with the right variation. Accurate listings help improve buyer confidence, and a well-presented product increases the chances of selling quickly. After uploading your images, take a moment to review your listing, preview the listing to confirm that all photos are displaying properly. Check that any captions or descriptions match each image accurately. This step is crucial as discrepancies can lead to confusion and mistrust from potential buyers. Once you are satisfied with how everything appears, proceed to publish the listing. Doing this makes your product visible to potential buyers, allowing them to browse your offering. Once your listing is live, keep an eye on any questions from buyers regarding the images or product details. Responding promptly to inquiries is essential for maintaining credibility. Engaging with potential buyers can significantly impact their decision to purchase. Moreover, high-quality listings with clear images increase engagement, which ultimately improves your sales potential. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.